Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Agrio plant diagnosis app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Agrio is a plant health and disease diagnosis app that helps farmers, agronomists, and gardening enthusiasts identify crop issues using AI-powered image recognition. The app allows users to upload photos of plants, detect potential diseases, pests, or nutrient deficiencies, and receive actionable treatment recommendations. It also offers a library of crops and conditions, expert advice, and tracking of plant health over time. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated for its accuracy, ease of use, and fast results. Users can quickly get insights into plant health, monitor multiple crops, and take preventive measures to improve yields. Many users like that it combines AI diagnostics with expert recommendations, making plant management more efficient. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While basic diagnostics may be free, full access to premium features or expert consultations requires a subscription. Some users report that results may vary depending on photo quality or less common crops. Additionally, offline functionality is limited, which can be a challenge in remote fields. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Agrio app may be worth using if you're a farmer, agronomist, or plant enthusiast seeking quick, AI-powered plant diagnostics. It shines in convenience, accuracy, and actionable recommendations. However, if you're not ready to invest in premium subscriptions or have limited connectivity, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.